Welcome and thank you so much for being here for our NingXia Red workshop. Who are we? I'm Jeremy.
And I'm Kim. As a mum, health and wellness is so super important to me. I'm a strong advocate for everyone taking responsibility for their own health, and that I believe prevention is way better than trying to find a cure. And that's why we both love Young Living. They not only have the world's best essential oils, but as an aromatherapist, I know a bit about that. They also have amazing products designed to make it easy to live a balanced, healthy life. When I started with Young Living nearly 10 years ago, it'll actually be 10 years this August, I was only interested in their high quality essential oils. And I was adamant that I wasn't going to drink that red juice that everyone seemed to be raving about. I was actually proud of the fact back then that as a mother, I hadn't given my kids any juice because I believed that juices are packed with way too much sugar and not enough fibre. I'm glad to say that I've since been proven wrong when it comes to NingXia Red, because NingXia Red actually is made up of 25% wolfberry, or what we here in Australia call goji berry, puree. So what happened to make me change my opinion of NingXia Red? As a breastfeeding mum, I was co-feeding a newborn baby and a 2-year-old at the same time, and I felt like life was literally being sucked out of me on a daily basis. I was exhausted all the time. And back then, Young Living used to send us out CDs with our monthly orders. And one month a CD came which talked all about NingXia Red. I heard about how it boosted energy, which was exactly what I needed. The following weekend, I went to Brisbane for a Young Living event, and they literally had NingXia Red on tap. It was NingXia Red slushies, and I thought I'd give it a go. I was buzzing after drinking my NingXia Red slushie, and I've barely missed a day since that 9 years ago of drinking NingXia Red. We both, Jeremy and I, drink it every day. NingXia Red is delicious on its own, in a smoothie, or it's great frozen as a nutritious and refreshing boost, or even a dessert treat for my kids.
Absolutely, we wouldn't miss a day of our NingXia Red. So why NingXia Red? Well, NingXia Red is one of Young Living's most popular products. It's a nutrient-rich drink infused with antioxidant-providing superfruits and powerful essential oils. Wow, that's a big mouthful. NingXia Red contains vital nutrients that may be missing or low in many modern diets, and that could be the key to experiencing abundant wellness and energy. It's the perfect way to start the day. NingXia Red's sweet, it's tangy, and it's infused with some of our favourite citrus essential oils. It's crafted with superfruits and essential oils, a powerhouse nutrient infusion that will support overall wellness. It's made with exotic fruit extracts and the whole fruit of Young Living's exclusive NingXia wolfberries, all high in antioxidants. NingXia Red provides energy and vitality throughout the day. It's delicious on its own, in a smoothie, or frozen for a nutritious and refreshing boost. NingXia Red energizes, fortifies, and replenishes the body and mind with a proprietary blend of pure essential oils and wolfberry, a known provider of antioxidants. Other vitamin-rich superfruits in NingXia Red supply the body with vital antioxidants and phytonutrients for a whole body nutrient infusion.
So you've heard a lot so far about nutrients and antioxidants, but what are antioxidants? So one of the main reasons to drink NingXia Red is that it supplies the body with important antioxidants. So NingXia Red's like the fuel for my body. So if my body was like a car, then, NingXia Red would be the petrol. And the antioxidants actually help to stop my body from rusting from the inside out, if you like. Antioxidants are nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that help fight off the damaging effects of free radicals. And you've probably heard about free radicals before. The body experiences a natural phenomenon called oxidization every day. It's like when you cut an apple open and it starts to go brown. That's what happens in our body. And this can produce harmful byproducts, which are called free radicals. If left uncontrolled, these free radicals can damage cells, much like chemical reaction that takes place in the apple when it turns brown. So free radical damage can be accelerated by pollution, stress, toxins, smoking, and even alcohol. So antioxidants are very beneficial for optimal health, but you don't need high amounts of any one antioxidant, no matter how powerful it is. To create the strongest defense against free radicals, the body needs an array of many different kinds of antioxidants. So the key to optimal support is balance, just as one healthy diet consists of a variety of fruit and vegetables.
And that's where NingXia comes in, because NingXia Red nourishes your whole body. and it contains these powerful ingredients that are involved in many natural antioxidant processes. I'm going to attempt to pronounce some of them. So it contains MSM, phenols, anthocyanins, catechin gallate, tocopherols, and tocotrienols. All great antioxidants for your body.
Wow, you did a much better job of me pronouncing those. So what are some of the other ingredients in NingXia Red? We're first going to talk about the superfruit, the wolfberry. So you might know it as goji berry, as I mentioned before. The botanical name is actually Lycium barbarum, and there are 80 different species of wolfberries or goji berries, and 10 of these come from China. But it's the NingXia wolfberry, that Lycium barbarum, which is the one that has the most amazing health benefits and the one that goes into NingXia Red. The NingXia Red formula also uses essential oils, another distinctive feature of this unique product. It contains orange, tangerine, lemon, and yuzu, which is another citrus fruit. And they all contain the powerful D-limonene and limonene, which enhance the flavour of every bottle of NingXia Red. NingXia Red contains many nutrient-dense fruits in addition to the wolfberry or goji berry, such as aronia, blueberry, cherry, pomegranate, and plum. They're all so high in antioxidants. And these fruits are naturally high in bioflavonoids and phenolic compounds, such as the anthocyanins that Jeremy mentioned before, and zeaxanthins.
Well done. The point about this is you can have all the good fruits in the world in there, but if they're not great quality and if they're not pure, then they're not going to do you any good. So quality really matters when it comes to this. When you're buying food or anything at all, you want to make sure you're getting a quality product. So it matters what we put in and on our bodies. So it's really important that we can trust the company that we're investing our money in. Young Living has a little something called Seed to Seal. They're the only company that provides this. What is Seed to Seal? Well, it's a quality commitment unlike anything else. They have control of the entire process from the seed to the sealed bottle. And that means you can rest assured that you're getting a quality product made with the highest quality essential oils and other naturally derived ingredients. So here are some of the strict guidelines that they abide by to fulfill their promise in sending only the best products to your home. First of all, plant material that's grown on corporately owned farms or carefully vetted partner farms, that's what they use. They use sustainable farming and sourcing practices so that they can provide the purest oils. They take great care to preserve and protect natural resources, which is awesome. Their fields are hand-weeded and they have zero use of pesticides. The essential oils retain all their natural constituents and their therapeutic properties, because they're absolutely pure. They use food-grade distillers with state-of-the-art design and distillation methods. And they control all the variables, so low pressure and low temperature distillation without the use of solvents or other nasty chemicals to get the absolute best out of their products.
They also have rigorous testing on each batch of, their products, not just their essential oils, but also their supplements and their NingXia Red. And this is not only done by their internal labs, but also their third-party facilities. Their oils are carefully reviewed through every step of production in order to meet or exceed industry standards. And the best part, if the oils do not, or the supplements or foods such as NingXia Red do not meet these high standards, then they're actually rejected and not sold as a Young Living product. And you can learn more about this at the Seed to Seal website. This also goes for NingXia Red. So D. Gary Young, who was the founder and president and CEO of Young Living, had such amazing foresight. He was actually the first major exporter of goji berries anywhere in the world outside of China. In 1993, Young Living founder D. Gary Young met a Chinese scientist called Dr. Chow, who was on like an exchange program for scientists in the USA. Gary was so interested in what these scientists were saying about people who lived in the Ningxia province in China, as he'd already been traveling the world studying countries where people lived long and healthy lives, very long and healthy lives. Dr. Chow introduced him to the delicious berry that has been prized in China for thousands of years. He explained that the people who regularly ingested this berry, or what a lot of Chinese people do is they steep it and make a tea. So they actually get the berries and put them into their teapot. And they led remarkably energy-rich lives. Gary became convinced that this superfruit needed to be made available to the world.
So let's talk a bit more about the plants and the sourcing of them. I guess people always argue that countries like China, which are huge industrial countries, aren't they full of nasty chemicals? Well, as I mentioned before, NingXia Red is subject to the same rigorous quality control measures as the Young Living essential oils. So Young Living works directly with Chinese vendors to grow wolfberries in locations that are continuously tested for pesticides, heavy metals, and other potential contaminants. Once the wolfberries are harvested, they're cleaned and sent off to be pureed.
There's an area on the Yellow River where the NingXia wolfberries come from, and it's actually further up the Yellow River, closer to the Himalayan mountains, than the areas where there's major pollution in China. So not only is it away from the areas of pollution, but it's actually at the foothills of the Himalayan mountains. Therefore, it gets the benefit of the silt coming down from the mountains, that beautiful nutrient-rich soil. And that's what feeds these amazing little berries. So as I said before, it's not a juice, it's a puree from the whole NingXia wolfberries, also known as goji berries. We use all of the valuable parts of the fruit. So the juice, the peel, the seeds, and the fruit. And that ensures that there's heaps of fiber in every bottle. You can see when you look at the bottles of NingXia Red, you can see the puree sitting on the bottom, and that's why it's a good idea to shake it up before you use it. Each bottle contains the optimal blend of nutrients offered by this extraordinary fruit. It even contains every essential amino acid, including the ones the body can't make itself, and contains 13% protein. So basically each berry is made up of 13% protein. That's the highest protein content of any fruit.
How do you actually get NingXia Red? Well, there's a couple of ways that you can get it. Firstly, if you aren't already a Young Living member, then you can buy it at retail prices. But if you want to get wholesale pricing on NingXia Red and save 24%, I was going to say then you're crazy not to, then your best bet is with a NingXia Red Premium Starter Kit. The NingXia Red Premium Starter Kit costs $244, and it comes with the following products. So you get 3 750ml bottles of NingXia Red, 30 NingXia Red 60ml single sachets. You get a 5ml Stress Away essential oil, which is really handy to have. And you also get a Thieves hand sanitizer and a few other little things to help you get started with Young Living. A wholesale membership comes complimentary with the NingXia Red Premium Starter Kit, which is brilliant. So you'll receive 24% off retail prices forever. You get access to a supportive community, the Essential Rewards loyalty program, and the option to earn a monthly paycheck. So if you'd like to order one of the NingXia Red Premium Starter Kits, then get back in contact with the person who invited you to today's class, and they'll give you their member number so that you can get access to the support you need, and they'll also help with any questions you might have.
What is Essential Rewards? We just mentioned that before. Simply put, Essential Rewards is like a completely customizable monthly subscription box that gives you discounted shipping, you earn reward points that you can spend on free products, you get loyalty gifts, plus access to monthly promotions and discounted bundles. Your premium starter kit can even actually count as your first Essential Rewards wellness box. NingXia Red is a great product to have on your Essential Rewards. It is a product you can enjoy each and every month. We definitely do. We would hate to run out of it. Plus, you actually save $30 when you buy the NingXia Red Essential Rewards NingXia Red package. So what could be better? In the Essential Rewards NingXia kit, you actually get 4 700ml bottles and 10 pack of NingXia Red sachets. The benefits are discounted shipping, and of course you save the $30. I like to think of it like I'm getting the 10 little sachets for my handbag each month for free, because I'm going to buy the 4 pack anyway. So this way I get a few little sachets that I can throw in my handbag. So should I be out and the girls need some extra nutrients, or I need an energy boost, then I just pull one out of my handbag.
Well, that brings us to the end of our presentation tonight. Thank you so much for coming to this class and for investing the time to learn more about how to find wellness and also take care of yourself, because you deserve health and wellness and we want to see you achieve it. Finally, we're really excited to support you on your health journey and look forward to seeing you on more of our online workshops. See ya.
See you guys.